no esi wo circle fe nipa horo wo free won kwa wasa na babium sebe 8 years of Akufo-Addo yehu sa de wasa babium
mame ma akwaba emfa wombra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frɛ me adwowa searching ebusuafo ora Koku Anyidoho aba be kasa a o kyerɛ sɛ His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de onimade ɛha no open so 2015 June 3rd and a flood esi ɛwɔ Accra na nipa wu ejato circle nipa wu wa ka sanso aba June ya bio nsu asanso ato Fl00ding esi wɔ Accra Ghana adehye be 30 ahwero nkwa 30 more than 30 kwa ahwero nkwa amanfo ajapade ase wa address ahye white I invite asofo akwa Thanksgiving ɛwɔ abra ye friend say ministers no ekonya plane crash no ye morning Ghana ye ne politicians na mo ka bomu e morning Ghana Sam George ayete so ofu omo ahye ne coat emiemi anani ase swing Ghana for additional mo awu de se bia mo ye mboa meboa nti mo nti so dogo bi nuabe mo akọ Thanksgiving na se Ghana for e reasonable enough anka wenkwa etumitia eto abatia NDC make it understand say president aw oman hye wonsa disaster kesisi nyesi ade chenya wa akọ Thanksgiving e wa abra disaster bi si ide usin 1 week echima omo ebusuafo no omo hwe omo ade hye nyina omo konya plane crash no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama echima na ebusuafo nyina nsu ato Fl00ding esi Ghana fo awu na Ghana fo de se munye nipa ade rafo se Ghana fo mboa so di ebi wa na ayeden nti no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na NDC fo inform ho na ade pemu na nkasa ete helicopter fly wasoro ka kire yen se o hwe na ekoso why na dwen se anase why no ho so onim de ekoso ko bi wa be ye president da onim eye Fl00ding na ekoso wa Accra na the cause of it onim nti unam rim sananado no ye president na nsu ato na manfo ewu no nam rima ankese edu nketia obeka se helicopter na na adodwale gu yen so kensem okujato ablakwa ebeye ne se Sam George ebeye so ofo wa hye ne coat samija fi be nanim se rice water ahwe agu abeka che Ghana foro ka ye nya aso but you see nim the NDC for the Ghana for adwen akɔhye asem wo yesi amanfo etwa ejajo amanfo rahoro wa kwa Thanksgiving yente se makoko Anyidoho ede atija
with the cement the iron rod the blocks asasino it's no bad any baby obefa because no laws are working in the country one reason I'm going to say obreso 2015 and then the BC esi wo circle fe nipa horo wo free won kwa wasa na babium sebe 8 years of Akufo-Addo yehu sa de wasa babium fe ni erisi mama mpanyin tena helicopter mu se onam wiemu ade na esi wasa fe so odo yehu mi bibia aye amanyosem politics yeah can okre nti mi opposition meka ni fata me ba ben mo mi nyanya fata so collectively nyina ye kabom as on my maybe a dream ni si enra market say meteorological services for no say and brother me ochima kuada anoba bra shikakra but every year wada
ekono
fida mimida and
ni kwasida
yeah
foforo besan baby o
I'm telling you you are fini ya ehunu and say yanka no kre enchire yanka sa yehu ejo we know at public and I said compound house. Now ejaya. Ayi sebe bola wudi gugu gata mono. Enye. What's Koku Anyidoho ye tuno. Koku Anyidoho ye tuno. Koku Anyidoho ye tuno because You know, you pay a shortcut to solve our problems. If you were what she dying, toilet in him, but you know, I call high. And the Sorano Pa, the big giant and a good rubber bag.
I got watching.
Me a teacher, maybe I to your bag. That's not for true. You do baby, Ubi share. You guys, you. The Morabang and the Juma Ewogana. Nanora, a interior minister, Nakayan. A guy from a public service and a humanitarian point of view. I didn't see. Diana obey. And you want to free here, make 2 free. And then they abide via the war Abadaya. We'll give that instruction. It's not because you want to disrupt public service, but the security report na abidi hono. And they say untu ya mean to. It's just to save lives. Ukwa on baby and they don't move. Yes, it's snow. About baby. Yes, it's hurricane. About baby. Yes, it's tornado. About baby. That one, it's in the public interest. It's in the supreme public interest. But the question is, what are we doing to save ourselves? Girl, also transport BC to do, and I say, Kanisi. Also, Ludu, Ako, baby. Na driver na kotena Atesiba. Bet and Ludu. Bet Ludu, we are not for master. So, master, the Ludu will be singing. Na depend on ton sana ma driver no nim so a driver no. Oh, me ko when they beg for the road. Also beg for the road. For the road and he say
so only say only pani driver ni.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okodawo passengers.
Only pay say me ote hona ono munsano. What on the area so record. Oh, beg for the road. On the road, when they say pay to incline. What's the breaking news? The Padudo say, ew. Now, one of the things that is destroying in crime, and then, Obi was one plot of land, or cantonment. Oh, it's legal. Or rich. And I said 2 plots of land. Me papa, Asa Sibi. What one? Amanchrophobi also a baby see high-rise building. And that's Abrosign. Again, Abrosign na ye be no because space in the or no. With the excavator abba and ye reach fem. Say in creative car park it was fem. Min creative dining be it was fem. Assassino. Into acquire in Shubefa. Or the cement, the iron rod, the blocks, ashes, as you know. It's no bad. Baby Obefa. And if you are looking at places like Chado, Ajiringano,
Chado.
And Ajiringano, what's it? Chado Assassin back home. Maybe I may know to mean to Chado Assassin.
Yeah, what's that? Why?
Good. Ajiringano, to mean to Assassin, no. Spintex Road, baby Ahoro, or Cabona. Maybe I may know to mean to. Yes, I go Pompey as a with you. But one more Sika or better. And if any because no laws are working in the country. Yes, your mom ran you. And you were there, your program and that. Now, say any. Other than NPP ni, NDC ni, we have a trouble. And that is the problem we are facing.
Can I say,
look,
on my penny, on the man, can I say, Kufuado, a member born into Obedia Kungan Crensunto.
ɛnɛ wɔmmere so amana sɛ wobrɛ so 2015 ɛna deɛ ɛbɛsi no ɛsi wɔ circle hwɛ nnipa horo a